First time we share you. Tourism so then come in papa ni mu na prempe na won hwehwe me. Good to see you. But uba Ashanti na say ni.
By November na menya 3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
Hey, Nana prempe. Once on you what o. Nana brem na manfo hu ete sen. Bibia boko de.
Bibia boko.
Na tourism no you mafiri mana.
There be so.
I feel raba 3 years. So ever sir.
Abodi a chere na akaso.
Ye nana.
We did there wa catch
Nana, me dia no bebo.
You are one of us.
Me
na we journey.
Me nyane sana. Nana wan catch say fraudulent to me ka say. Oh, but good to see you. Good to see you. Me name Abusianfo anu omunti. Me te say ne me no be kasa no mani age sa na yemo akwaba. Yenhwe tourism ene ehun sensem Oba Ashanti region obi a wonim ye tourism no said the hotel at least currently so we trying to picture the actual na say na o de ebetire na tourism state say
metimi aka say potentials are war Ashanti region in terms of tourism no after yes scratch surface no because one particular thing we cannot or nobody can contest with us is our rich culture and history. And for me, I know you're so intangible. Yeah, packaging here a bit to me, a lot of visitation. Apart from that, we have some tourist attractions as well. Very well known. At least last year, we shared the top 10 visited attractions.
Okay.
2 every Ashanti region.
Great.
So we are at that level. Our hospitality industry too is not doing bad. We have a lot to do in that sector. Overview of the tourism potentials in Ashanti region, I say, is very encouraging. The only thing we need to do is to put all hands on deck so that we can have the kind of tourism and hospitality industry we all want.
Wo hide mame me fancy na prempen so na on fancy so say mebo mabaso not anything at all the new walkway amaye ewo lakeside I think gradually mama life about the enclave the Abono area initially we call man akwese lake nko but now my other site abekeka ho mebom abaso ewo sa efanum me free say ba could be the beyond your GTV omo can say beyond this is beyond our control which has to do with the road network. Okay. But I know with your influence we can all push to make that place viable for that tourism na yepese ye hono me wa bomodin walk wave en can now pe bia so keep coast nana before you be call no yen try hono picture ne kakra na manfo hu the site na sese modi abekeka ho say the bed driver manfo ama omo akọ no the walk wave ne the other places bia modi abekeka ho
me fa kwa so ada individuals private sector no so as Freba bit is a Copacabana. Omo apart from walkway, no, almost our bit is a swimming pool.
Okay.
Very close to Insuno. Until Sabia, you throw lake no more than it will be a night of
I'd say infinity pool sort of.
And now, Omo golf course.
Okay.
Now, we share the whole place in a for therapy and a therapeutic environment. Until your beach baggy cars were ho.
Okay.
And a wow person one nanti so between nanti. Now to walk from room to reception require therapy. And now it's a people. Until the say in met me as a private sector no or my idea. More challenges, but still more force. Lake Paradise.
Paradise Resort.
Yeah. Omo dear. Ajua ponko. Oh no. Bruni baby. Owari bibini. Ono ye ponko. Right.
Okay.
Now, calling rooms now. I said there was suturing be as stones.
Okay.
And or the bathroom no. And yeah, the sign your money in a manipa energy somber call.
Yeah. Very rejuvenating.
Very.
And I'm a bomb ambassador, director idea, a siniso, mobile juma. Tourism is a whole big industry. Now, when you good managers are you be sitting on gold mine now on so but with you there, I trust you. And once again, director, Evedo Asepa. Now, I think that exercise be a coso for which na me pese ebedi ho enkomo kakra exercise na nkasa na exercise na coso with tourism one more director.
Thank you. Ejumadi coso enforcement exercise. Because senior tourism Emranotino Act 817 actually say answer na we operate any tourism enterprise biano. It say unya a valid operational license from the Ghana Tourism Authority. Inti unni sa license no na uye juma and the why you are there etiamra. So if you are a restaurant operator, hostel operator, hotel operator, apartment operator, travel rental, car renter, chop bar, drinking bar. Now, juma now need license from Ghana Tourism Authority. Your operation is deemed illegal. Now, compiling list. Now, a list of over 200 of such facilities in the region. And these are the ones that we know. Saying 200 facilities are more operating without license. Last year, your license is about 1,021. What they were 1,000, we share percentage now. We say percentage no, a cost room. Yan sorry, TLC crum. Anko share na sa illegal operators ya meji license. Ebedu next year no 200 way. Ebeti me ako 300. Na ako 400. About the sense why we can't tackle it anymore. Until you decide yourself, we will go to those identified illegal operators to make sure say the intia ama omo license no one beye no omo license.
Director me da sepa na prempe ude krum hanum de o se pe kunya tourism kunyama rade na prempe de no nana de ntia me person bi se wasem we no not meka se nya manfo nyina nenim se wo pretty choba e fall under tourism office with maduane no ne nkwa de nto e choba office o nya ne sika kakra o de be ye drinking sport ba omunim se ni nyina kambom enema akwanhwesem no enyina agina that kasa no come restaurant obo ma o restaurant ba wonim se eno eboa ma tourism ekoso ana se tourism ase hostel mpo ya no office o masia ben school no enka ho me person team ho no especially won say ye kan more of these people and omo operate without license. Now, Nina Boma ignorance. One unum pose was a license from tourism authority a man coin. My person who be beam no what can he here say also more in authority no from tourism.
That's it. No crap exercise. Yes, start exercise. And never you cry. Yes, ye be. Also, minima kama be ye dada. Na adie ba kwa ya na me di ye ho yaw ne se ukoye adwuma bia ya na ka me hu yi ka obebusa se adwuma we sen ye no kwa be ne fa so ye nyina nim se obetwi ka onim se o nya license uko kan so anu de different
say no aka gina and different
so ho nti no pese onu nim ne nti no ka ni se mra na tumi fa no eno na de bia me ka no se unim mra na eno nche se ofuma ye mfa nchew so but yeah see human face na ye see abontin oma wo be consider omo kra so yam tumu completely but bia nkola wa hanti no ye ni see ye the sticker boho na tu anamon nani chineneko ubeko no kra de artistic
disrespect pa
disrespect so na mefa so asada police mpanyinfo so ase fititititi ye kase ye enforcement pe police for ba be so yase ene ye be ya akosi omo current regional commander metene so anu masore ye ni sia tembia di nkita ho ono afre busa na ekosen memrante na omo obuamo ye nsesa we mu kakra ye nye we ntino police for oboa pa omo oboa na ye ni temamufo no ena osi ehunu se even si ebewura bar ebewura restaurant ebewura hotel kayenhwe hunu se omo wo license because me sure say bibi kusi wo kra torrenche mi kusi wo ho a omo wo insurance na hotel aban be bo omo na say insurance for kra be omo na the only license no e dem kra no akwaji insurance
obeka covid baya na aban so also masin wo mom ye registered no
na mi ko mu nyina na so Veronica bucket ni de sanitizers ni de no one register beden hu na omo associations ebi so enko ntikamenya omo nyina bo modern join association say dia information bi ba now the ma association na be ko kodro bia ho
na me da say na ye
bibi enso ni anana kan Opemsuo time bia amount for free sebi obi wo hompo na ni kunu ko ba bi no maya otimi free ebisa se mona moma hotel for license ni kunu akoba bi o mai one more person omutu kwan travel and talk or gini sika na wenya visa anase bibia one more free enro yi
na fe no more free mo
afe no more free
se monye den
eno ni asem no nti wa wo call travel and tour operator ho
na one ka GT
when bisa say wa register with GT who license and now kwa hotel na one who said license but na will be biaira na fe wo si wo claim insurance and na say sebi men come name obi be yua wo ho na wo police station na police bisa say be hotel na wo die license wo wa nti said na aka no yeah ye consume this hospitality facilities no e say ye hwe say wo mo wo operational license ansana ya co patronize wo
na adeba ko say me dem ka mo ntimi de bi ka ho un say choba na ankasa no me de minim say omo license to operate no time and time mutimi sheda ko check omo hygiene nipa na wonu aduane no kra no sabe ne na pomuden ne ho tie a ete ya na me de minim nti ba bebre ni nim say ayadwuma moye ye no nti ena unso bo no wotie na adwen kyerɛ sɛ onye choba adwuma nti e bia mfa no ba wudidi ko choba ye no na ye mo sɛ Ghana Tourism Authorities answer no mo obi operational license so mfa nya adwuma no mo make sure sɛ be yare bi ni ne ho ne modjam ne ade sɛ omfa ko aduane ma nipa nya den endi this is a case e bia nipa no onje license na sɛ yare bi no ho a wana yako check no ne ade nti o ade o sɛ nyina eta mochi na ye hwe na mo ye na director meso only in Ashanti Region and across the country.
So Jumadiye ye across the country.
Okay.
But niaba mi say yena ye differs this year. It's all share other regions be sure say within the coming days or weeks. Say almost so
you have always been the pace setters. Champion to idea. My idea. So mo kono ma who said na mo keto bi kwa mo forward ni ade but challenges bibi bam e was ade no so mo kono bi mo ntiase ade na mo ba ho 70% kakra
me kakra na mama me so bia to aso de dikan me pese Ghana for especially Asante man ehunu se enye sikanti na ye exercise no eye ye pese ye tenetene nioma na te se de wo kan obi wo license a eye de ya ye kohwe no hopen ye nim kitchen kura wo ye free mu de ye mfa ye ni ntu se bi na sen bi na se ja ho baabi efi na maame ne ye aduane free mu ba no o ye aduane be enum koko diehu fufu emutuo ahomachi be 5 no de ba Tech Junction.
Okay.
Efie no kane ani ho. Ensuo ni ho.
Hey.
Nti sa nipa ya o ye sa aduane aba kwa ho. Edie na kire sebi o. Bibi boni bi da fom na osma akola so nkofambra na efa ba obehu adekro. Nya no aso oda na egu nkwa no. Nti se ye na yetu sa na mo na public no nti ase. Ye pese omudi aduane a ye hygienic. Aduane a hotie. Na afesu yetu omofo te se de okan no medical certificate. Ebia ene na esi monkey pox abai. Na se ososo sa nneoma yi ni plate kura o de besi ho ne ade obetumi afa sa yare no bi afiri ho. Afesu no yare bebre ye fa free ba bi edidi. Nti ye ben ho a yetumi chos o ba bi a wagya na bi ewe die wo de kitchen ne ko akire kakra ka beboa.
O touch bi na ho.
Wo ho me da ho use.
O use dem ya.
Me da ho use pa.
Hey na brother.
Oh yes, season inspector.
Ko ni
na obi wo ho a mukochi ne pe o se makotue o na mumbie mame.
Okotua ma hwan?
Wakotua wo office, otua ne registration ne benye no. Yesi nya license ansa. Anamo a obetuo no na be me hu se nipa we ye man provisional license ana say on train on gi full license. Say ye buy na bibia ye kama obi wo ha na wanya ni nua bi amana guide ne kakra. But license no onya sa no ye ma wanya provisional license en haye. No bu ane ho ne nye me no ka say baby bebre ya tum anye so mo register omo ho na enye.
No say twe dare.
No twe dare obi frame sesi a me ne asimasi ena me nua bi se mo atumi na sika no akotua wie na me se hwe sika no akotua en enye sika nti ne kotum eye standard busa ne ho busa se okura ye do ko se ko inspection wa obepass na na
eye tina manfo ntiase that time ba ho na her challenges tina manfo ntiase a omo equity this exercise to say GTA for some omo pesca no enti na adwen say wachia wie dia ne nka mo bi tina yent tourism and the demands for tourism and asiana
me sure say bebre ntiase and no omo experience with other institutions omo de ye sika enti no fu say ebia na me de oka metua ye de fa ma me nkoye de bi e wo so meet certain standards and sana ya mawabie because enura ye hu ade bi me de picture na kire wa me nim se mo betumi a block akola na nim a unit ba kwa na ye kotum so hwe me ne me boss anim a ye me kura me hu se manim aye saada e so chilling
adan
akola wedi 12 years and original reception counter achi na hotel no so omo ye saada na a complete brothel a 224 bia
12 years below age
this
is child abuse
and na ye dru ho ye busa akola he wo ye den wa se me na mehwe ha
without infantry.
Oh yes.
Na ya chichiri tissue nketinketi bibia depicting say jantra na ekoso
e kroma
na chese echi na say reporters ne baako o capture yemi enu anim no send the brain
we dey must be fam
chese enu na adwumi hwesa na misu
my sa facility ne den
ya tu
mo
ya tu
dey na person tifu
na wa fa besi brafo egu ho
no mo ye adwuma ana so na so adwuma ni ko ho adwuma mo
adwuma we dey kayenda
Director, you have challenges now more encounter ni.
Well, me friend the challenges, my friend distractions. I will not be distracted. There serious pie one befa food. A friend crime for. A friend Jubilee House. A friend say.
Oh, friend MP.
Aha. But we are working in accordance with law that was promulgated by the Parliament of Ghana.
As a matter of fact, Ghana tourism is an authority now.
It's an authority. So that is one challenge. Another challenge, recalcitrant people that don't respect our laws are the public notice about facility. Now would they why? Say one way when. we've caused some arrests. I bear prosecution. Because if you don't respect the laws of the land, what do you expect the land to do for you? See, that distraction too is there. And then another one, one more, may I take them as dishonest people. They claim they don't know, but when you interview them, you know that they know.
Just negligence.
Yes, and then you call facility be. Signboard neighborhood, but send your facility you won't know say a Hona hotel they say. Mami be ton eduane wo ho. And I'm beside say mami guest house na wa ha e he. O si oh e wo ko anim e wo market ho. And I pick number e wo be drive call market ho. And I be say friend obado. Ye fair. O si oh ye wo opposite assessor. Sa na mami na chi hwa. And a hotel no.
Ba wo no nim.
Onim.
Too much.
Or two actually. So these are some of the distractions. But the most worrying distractions are maybe ya train here be high empire. One more learned people. People that are well to do in the society, that are behind some of these businesses, that think that because of money they can have their way. I say to them that for me, as long as I'm working within the confines of the law, will go to the extent and test the laws so that they will do the right thing.
Abusia babi obi atie Opemsuo 104.7 NMN mpanyimfo kokudampa Ghana Tourism Authority mpanyimfo enamene omo twetwe nkomo na mombi a omutu wa watie ba ne de ho ba bia nkomo ni free bus afi na wadwane na ye hwe tourism na mombi akoba se wo se ba bi wo no so omutum sanse answer na wo pretty business under tourism no or so unya license no nya ne kwa so wonipa no hote adwuma na wo ye no hote empo no omanfo ene awoho mo ba no obi aba sabi obi beka se Ghana yedi ehuni Ghana fo ye nipa papa na ye tourism ye na te se obi ye choba na wahwe na ye aduane basa bia obi ko beka Ghana fo ya aduane fo mu di no ho no enso bia na ntesa ye no na mpanyimfo ye mu tu na mo bia and the many Panino Ashanti Region tourism and the region director Mr. Frederick Ajay Rudolph and now I know no and the chairman Henipa Nana Prempe and them no more chicken comoy. Head of the tax force.
Yes.
On your baby because one another me say I the touch no to me you know I say so minimum chrono to me say why you be another prempe to me I was oh man so but it's good to have you. It's good to have you under tourism when we tuning in that Mami show how long would this exercise take 9-day wonder how long would it take Senabe
so But me who be me farm mount but remember page 1 page 2 page 3 page 4 page 5 page 6 page 7 page 8 illegal operators
Ashanti Region
Ashanti Region
known ones
yes.
And I know saying the in your exercise no bet me encounter those
yes
new
have
no better
it's way say you close 10 a day it may take about 25 days.
I see.
So our initial plan is to do it for 1 month. Then we review the operations, and if there is need, say a better na ya twaso.
More to tum, more. Is it temporary or provisional license? Now the reaction it is saying.
Okay, so we have about 4 categories of violations.
Okay.
Obi wo ho a omeye registration
At all.
Ye nim no kra. Ti obi sa no ji say obeye the registration. Na ye processing the license. Say o start registration na who say ya acquire inspections the BBI ye okay a ye be man no provisional license. No dey atwaso. Obi so wo ho a the problem ni say o meet standard. Inti sa ni pa kro ni de oye de ya just o meet standard no ansana obinya ni license and obi nso wo ho a license no ye de amano bra office na beje o license na fa ball reception 1 year 2 years
you be 3 years
o meje obi sa no so this obey license no and sana obey juma. And a few ones were honswa one more there towards the end of the program no nebe so you're from tourism levy defaulters. Say waji abai sika every client ho na fabre abai na also farmer no say who the business so they are got to fix deposit to emrano bar obetire
and say nana pempo mama word ho
say baby I awarded the double take you pa up till now I'm to me from akoye up till now and no there e no kre it's why show if people like that are paying, you need problem. Upmarket hotels need there because they know the law and one can also internal mechanism of regulating themselves. Some of them even have compliance managers. Ah, no, the duty and it's over here say, crata way, yakoji way, yakoji way, yakoji.
If you have been from which you award the national award. Me kasa him say me mean the ya baako free Kumasi akwaji award wa Accra.
Me no kwani say nya Nana Prempeh ya na me bonaba. So I think I've known Nana Prempeh in the industry more than a decade, over 10 years from and I'm Modiana
from 2008.
I've known Nana Prempeh na if we be decide say and yes I yet to please tourism wa be no in year. Trust me, kwam do be fast no ramu trash into there. I like it so be international.
True.
And yes what here and I'm a bonnet basso. Or no I tell you because we do because why you be but so yeah and terms as an touch, you know.
Yeah, no, I
said I and I use of make
one. Say why you to touch.
Or Banu who we asked my man and you to me, yeah. It's Yama Nana one idea did to us so the view.
But because my bet na many opportunity. Remember baby now lady view my bonabas.
Okay.
Evelyn Mensa. First encounter with her.
Evelyn no say.
No promise.
This is say.
Na ade amobe hu.
Ye mu biem na me gina ho e no woka.
Ye me de. De bia me kasa asem.
Because na my ya na bibia mai and one time there was a slip. No say and na me gina ho and she knows say mo koye no samba kofi.
Mumbo hotel di.
Golden Hotel.
As me say me ko eni me ko ametumi dane ne ma atwetwe fridge ni ade me hunu hwe. Me say the moment bibi no ma na me ko because be nyamo.
Enche bia the whole GTA management. Ya be retreats.
Okay.
Woman agents are retreat. My colleagues are more free the whole region by Obian can be beyond far
facility because and yes say afa abusuanya say afa facility back but me can dia to Nana Prempeh madwon we so na ye ntwense Nana Prempeh bantimi kwako ye me rooms neat and
exactly.
If me duty manager randomly I will just walk into a room and I'm them safa soro me them safa nchen baby wo no room attend we no housekeeping one minute and say me ko hu sa wawu say me hu bibi sa de like say Nana Prempeh ba Nana Prempeh so say na my hu na adwene no ba bia wo gina no adwene no kwam so asoto kina za say aso hwe ade bu no anti na adwuma mo ye no nyame enhya mo na yenkoso a na that mama am show mabisa how long it will take but Ghana habia ne say wo ye obi ade a wo ye ne nye wakotum sabi obehu se boampo na wo boa na ma na adwuma na team no o frɛ panyini bi me ka sa wo ya Ashanti Regional director ni akwa frɛ national grom hanum no me frɛ wo boss ana mini o boss kra minim no boss de ne put in place a na akwa frɛ MP no nonsense of so kire president to maninti na can this be sustained obetumi amade akoso a
question I am the pass obisa. You see you, Mami for Hajeto, or Tai Jumadi Echi, den. Me am immediate boss, Mr. Kosamson, I'm a reporter.
Mr. Samson, Okwa Chairman, McKenzie Milky Chanapa.
Or might say,
Nana, dear, meaning so, Nana, what do you mean to me found?
Edna said, Nana Kayan, Ghana Police Service are depending on them to make sure it is sustained. Almost so omotai Jumadi Echi. Ama wama shen boss even ye Kumasi na ye call other district they will activate their district posts so that any facility be a be enforcing will give them the lists and they will keep on monitoring it because they are the only people that will be able to assist us to make sure it is sustained. Now, we will not end there.
Opemsuo.
We first phase here. Instead of us waiting, say this time next year, and Sana, we have what we call spot checks and monitoring. Into say spot checks maybe once a week. Say you bear 3-4 times a week.
Is that possible?
It is possible.
With all this, the list actually. Just we're picking the time.
Exactly.
Okay.
That is why we do it randomly.
Okay.
Into your far baby na say 10 units na wo na ye ba ho na ye be 1 or 2. What more can no better say? Yeah, about this area.
You nkrofo bi kro mun someone hadwen nti won hye da we
yes.
But obi nso anum say we one would down kakra.
Tactics are used this year different from previous years.
Okay.
Because previously ye be ye o facility ye to aso akọ. But say we come back the following day. Arrest our causing we have visited some facilities twice. Ye call Monday, ye call Tuesday, ye san call just to make sure that they remain close. One more BBA stickers. No, we have sent them to the Central Police Station. Into a bad thing, but a bear.
When now more yena Ediana Edibe brain.
You, the Edikan. We are fulfilling the laws of the land.
Emrano is saying.
Emrano say, answer now we operate tourism enterprise now. G, operational license from Ghana Tourism Authority. Number 1, we also enhance standards. Senior Wokano. And then we will have a level playground for all facilities to operate. Because Obia register while license or ye juma, or the tax or any BBR. Rate or no be or debeto it hotel no so obi a on your license on ye or no beti be at the so.
As a matter of fact, what register comply with or compete with obi a
exactly
as if say non-existing business because
which is not fair.
Almost
yes, which is not fair.
Ghana.
So regulated be
And most importantly, it will raise the image of the region. In terms of standards, it's your whole will be baha or no abe say, oh, at least I had the hospitality and tourism industry, no, or my many. Nyama bin in social media, America, Obiako Bo Hotel be Nyama Wakafa Hotel, no Ashanti Region, enya de a Sanyamano, say a tutra.
What are more meeting standards? Standards no anything ankasa.
So, I can say a basic hotel, a basic minimum budget hotel. One of the key things that we want to see there, air hygiene, cleanliness, and then quality service. So, ufa room back one, bed woho, when your white bed sheets come, when you're writing desk and chair,
nice pillowcase,
when you're nice pillowcase, when you're armchair. Washroom clean, white towel, WC no stain, toilet roll holder, soap dish.
You are not asking too much.
Not too much.
We are normal if you.
But I tell you, pictures be what?
Oh, Monday you call baby be home. Journalists me sure say be yare. So by now,
they couldn't film.
They couldn't film it. Omu say PA. Very nasty. Na stench no nya asem keto
and so also auto
eh ekubusa obi
the no o say o ahaye pa uti a he meet 100 cities better ye pa
yeah sure
hey
say on so ye nipa te say ya na ye ntumi no no ye be a pronoun no invite say o mo
come high fine pa
yes ye kra ka so ye mo so obeda hotel bia na washroom I will use no say me kasi emfa onko cells choose between cells near obeko cells straight we dwane akọ cells cause ujina me ka che papa no say o hey u de krama kra to ha obewu
Eddie
now we know ono ni obi a comply especially with Jan levy ni na dey I think I support you in this Odamo minim se mreninti me pese me se obrepi a dia na obeka kire or man for mochi no can come on more pretty restaurant, hotel, apartments, chop bar. Okay, and a drinking bars no. Drinking bars I'm in my room fee. And every corner be a benjamin and tell my dreams and come home be ha. I prepared for same.
Make us say drinking bars no omo association omo bo mo ho mode pa. Chop bar for so association omo bo mo ho mode pa. Na na ma sewa na hyase ne ba so to aso na de meka aka ho biem se eye na wotwe aye besimi ye betu ye nkratifo ne mama wa na agum ombe she vest bi ni atwe GT informal sector omo be call round a register sa chobafo ni bia bafo ne omo mton aduane kakra kakra no na omo de no ya na eye instant.
Okay.
Ye ma omo but e ma bibi ni ayetumi tu yensa frɛ omo nyina asisi ye bɛyɛ dwumadie baako a ye bɛyɛ training ama omo e wo mu ayeye but the director proposed through initiative ye CEO any ye minister e dia brɛ ye sɛ ye mbɔ modin na ye nye training e ma omo meka sɛ bi ye minister bayi na ni wo adwuma no ho pa ye CEO so anywhere adwuma pa one dey say why na adwin say one of the days obe join ye ne yakọ enforcement
I don't be time fanra
be de ne beba
na menya CEO na menya director na den so dey front row goes
but CEO no odadin
sir
but o ideas bibiri ni ideas no person medical dey to ja madam menka but o ideas bibiri my industry no dey minim no nti esre public no so mo hu mrantie no ne mama awa no so mo beye info enyo nipa bi e na ahye mo so mo bagigi o musika kodi eye tumi na ehye airline act 817 no na emo mo kwan so omo mbra na afi bia no ye be renew ama omo so hia moa na omo wo how bia omo tumi di fa omo ku ba time no so na omo tumi ba ye ho e wo office na omo ne be din kita ho nti mesrom so omo hu mrate ne mabawa na eye 2 million de ama omo so omo be na obia comply eto da obeduru be so ye nimu ba bia na hwa force mi entua enya ne kure ye nko ba bi nko ka chu bi se bi entua ka me de ne da nti saa na ye be sre ada institutions so omo ko gigi omo sika omo hwe so no omo nje omo de na ye nko ba bia nko se omo adwuma
ye ma man fo ntia se e bia na operative business na ye under Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. It doesn't mean say Ashanti Regional Tourism Authority any to me until Montiase or Honum. Nana made us a director. I don't have a big kakaka on sorry.
The American say best amount for Maomu who Ejumadi say you're targeting Crawford say you say
and I'm Bejum Sika
and I beju musika. That is not why we are doing this. Ye Juma so that Ashanti region so tourism and hospitality. Yeah, can one say Ghana, we should be among the first 2 or 3. At the end of the day, ye hun crofwa, we might see ye futu, ye counseling, and we must start free. A be at 10 rooms. Say so be no cost 50 or cost 60. A business are starting from 50 rooms hotel no egu. Inti wa o pese we juma no etumpon na amount for emba ebe make sure that you comply, get your license, and then if you have any challenges, now for and then you go to facility bimu, and I make can be biafa the waiter.
Opemsuo.
The advice I gave the man within 1 minute, 2 minutes, who shared the demina so that we can be getting more of this advice. It's your best for Montaji, especially the media. Yadamase. Maybe I didn't do no. Mama Yejumano, I a little bit easier. Don't despair.
As a matter of fact, we will be citizens, not spectators.
Absolutely.
I will say, director, Ashanti Regional Tourism Director, Mr. Frederick J. Rudolph, or no, NFA, Nana Prempe, task force leader pa. And who tourism Ibrahim Trario.